You have a business to build, a plant to run, a job to do. To succeed, you've got to have an edge. And if you're going to edge out competitors nowadays, you know what you need to do. Assure your quality and control your cost. Virtek can help you get there. Today, quality means more than a job well done. It's consistency, repeatability, discipline, traceability, documentation, everything you get with Virtek's LaserQC system. The LaserQC inspection system lets you do more than find quality problems on your production line. LaserQC will help you do something with the problems before they turn into cost. This program will show you how to get the edge with Virtek and is designed to give you a fresh look at how LaserQC fits into your overall quality process to cut production cost, increase plant capacity and throughput, build new business, strengthen customer relationships, and reduce scrap. The most common use of LaserQC is for verifying the first piece off the cutting machine, whether it's a punch, laser, water jet, or plasma in a production run, including first article inspections. LaserQC allows you to catch the quality defects early in the production process, before more costs are incurred. The system gives your machine operator or quality inspector immediate confirmation that the part conforms to specifications in the CAD drawing, based on a detailed laser scan that measures part dimensions at a rate of 580 data points per second. Then, in seconds, it generates accurate inspection records for your quality department and for customer reporting. The inspection machine itself is specifically built to be shop floor friendly, so it can operate right alongside with your production equipment, and to be operator friendly, so quality inspections can be performed quickly and simply, and to be process friendly, so it integrates smoothly with existing production and quality assurance processes. Virtek customers often find that because the laser scan is so fast and simple, they can add more rigorous in-process inspection to their quality procedures. The thought of adding 100% inspection on a run can now become feasible. In-process inspections can provide a bonus benefit with statistical process data collected from the samples in the scanning process and use the dimensional information to provide traceability data through the auto-generation statistical process control values and graphs. Every job for the LaserQC inspection system begins with a scan of the part. To start, just place the part anywhere on the scanning surface. Then return to the scanning console and press on the Scan Part icon. Use this box to assign properties of the part, such as material thickness, process, and material type. Click OK when you're done. Every time before the scan of a part, the system checks a set of calibration targets to ensure its accuracy. Then, the laser beam sweeps the scan table from right to left. As the laser finds the edge of the part and each feature, the laser traces that feature and draws the data in real time on the PC. After the first pass is complete, the system does a second sweep of the part from top to bottom to ensure it captured all entities of the part. The scan is complete. You can check any dimension manually by selecting the virtual caliper icon and selecting the features you want to check, such as length, width, diameter, radius, and angle. To check all the dimensions for variances from the CAD specification, use the Quick Inspect function in the LaserQC software. Begin by clicking the Open button and loading the CAD file. The file appears in another color and is automatically overlaid with the scan data. By checking off the Inspect box, you can specify allowable tolerances for the part. The color coding on the screen allows you to see discrepancies or variations in an instant. With one click, the software will automatically create a quick inspect report sheet for your records, or to travel with the part to your customer. For a more detailed quality reporting and analysis, you need to use LaserQC's Inspection Check Sheet feature, or ICS. With the CAD file loaded, simply select Auto Generate. The program automatically creates an inspection check sheet from the CAD file. This way, the ICS provides a complete list of all the dimensions in the part you are inspecting, along with typical tolerances. If you want to fine-tune the tolerances, you simply edit here. Now, when you request a report, the program compares the scanned part to the CAD drawing. The report shows any variances and provides a pass-fail code to highlight any dimensions that are out of tolerance. The report also allows you to select specific features and dimensions that you can then inspect manually as well. Finally, the ICS can be printed off as a permanent report or electronically to send to a customer. As easily as that, Virtek LaserQC gives your shop quality 3 productive tools for inspection: the virtual calipers, Quick Inspect, and the advanced ICS system. With the Advanced Inspection Check Sheet feature, the dimensional results that are captured can be automatically stored and used by the LaserQC's SPC capability software. Every time a part is scanned, the results are stored into a comma-separated value file that the software calls out to generate statistical process control information, such as the range, standard deviation, and CPK values, as well as histograms, run charts, and X-bar and bar charts to control the process of your production. This vastly eliminates the old method of manually collecting data and inputting the results into an SPC reporting software. The same technology that Virtek developed for inspection provides an amazingly powerful tool for reverse engineering applications. Instead of scanning production parts, you simply scan the flat part sample or template on the table, and the system automatically generates a usable CAD model. This dramatically reduces the time and cost required to reverse engineer a part while adding a valuable service. Scanning the part on the laser scanner means that the use of hand tools to measure the part is eliminated. Even the most complex patterns are captured in just seconds. When the scan image appears, select the reverse CAD value to tell the system how much smoothing you will allow as it renders the CAD entities. Now, you can zoom in to select details of the part and adjust the drawing. The software is advanced enough to ignore small defects in the part caused by the manufacturing process, so lines are drawn straight and holes are drawn round. This way, it optimizes the least amount of entities for your CAD system. In the toolbar, you will find a complete editing package to help you finish the drawing. Tools to break, join, edit, and smooth out the drawing easily. Select an origin to set the base references for the CAD drawing, and the drawing is complete and ready to save and use in production. When you're done, the system can automatically output the CAD file as a DXF, DWG, or IGS file that other shop systems can use. Virtek's reverse engineering capability can be a great selling feature in your shop. It is so fast that you can offer while-you-wait service on prints of their new CAD file. The scanning process virtually eliminates any chance of dimensional errors in measuring and programming, and the automatic output of CAD files lets you deliver fast turnaround on part prototyping. The standard size of the LaserQC machine does not limit the capability of the part being scanned. In fact, the LaserQC uses specialized reference markers to merge parts larger than the scanning surface. Here is a part that is larger than the table. The operator simply places the first half of the part on the scanning surface and applies 2 reference markers to the part so they will be located on the first scan and the following scan. The operator then simply repositions the part to the next location and the scan begins. The merge markers are unique to the system that allows the software to automatically recognize their position from the previous scan and automatically merge the scans together. When the scan is complete, you can see that the software automatically recognizes the markers. When the second scan is complete, The operator tells the system to merge the two scans together to create one scanned image to be used for reporting or reverse engineering. Virtek's LaserQC software now gives you the ability to measure and capture results in the forming process. The LaserQC Form Check software has the ability to be installed on a standalone PC right beside your press brake operators. The software allows the operator to use standard shop tools such as a digital caliper, protractor, or height gauge to measure the results in the forming process. To start an inspection on the formed part, the operator simply opens the inspected flat file of the part and uses the orthographic page to start the inspection. When the operator presses the manual button on the report page, the software automatically displays the first dimension that needs to be inspected. The operator then uses the measuring device to capture the measurement and presses the send button to transfer the result. The window will show green for a passed measurement or red for a failed measurement. The operator verifies the result and presses the send button again. The measurement result is recorded into the file and automatically steps the operator to the next dimension. This process is repeated until all required dimensions are achieved. From there, the results can be saved for further inspection or for use in SPC capabilities, or printed off to travel with the part as a complete inspection report for the customer. Virtek LaserQC has always been known for being the fastest and easiest 2D inspection machine in the industry. But what about formed parts? Virtek has answered that question and is now introducing a fast and easy way to measure your finished formed part with its newest model called LaserQC AFM, or Automated Form Measurement. With this new product, LaserQC AFM still has its 2D core advantages, such as fast inspection, which reduces or eliminates the QC bottlenecks, reduces scrap and rework, which in turn increases throughput and quality. With the LaserQC AFM function, the system now allows for complete inspection from start to finish of your product. The advantage of the AFM system is its ability to measure formed features, including height measurements, slopes, and angles. Virtek's new AFM virtually eliminates the use of hand tools. No more employees wrestling with hand tools and providing varying results depending on who is using a device. AFM greatly reduces the chance of user error because the system is automated. AFM automatically generates complete inspection reports of your finished formed product with traceability. How it works. With the inspection file open, the operator simply presses the Scan Part button and places the part in the projected outline. From there, the operator follows the on-screen instruction to place the magnetic reference discs and starts the scan. The scanner then locates and traces the part. When the scan is complete, the system does a secondary inspection that uses the inspection file to complete any essential height measurements at an average rate of 6 height measurements per second. This information automatically fills in the inspection report that can be sent with the part to the customer or for internal traceability. All functionality of the 2D LaserQC plus more. Measure heights, slopes, angles, interior and exterior flanges, threaded holes, and much more. Easy to operate, one-click operation. Laser accurate. Self-calibrates. Traceability of formed parts. 100% inspection, cutting to forming.